Very nice voice. Very, very beautiful voice. Beautiful voice, Ethan.
Very nice.
Many people fall in love with you because of your voice.
No.
Yes.
Oh, then please wait. Let's do it just.
Okay. Pwede, naiiwan yung... Oh God, ang antok ko, guys. After he gets off, I'm gonna get a nap. Ooh, I win. Thank you. Thank you to Ax. Kai. Thank you, Kai. Leora, thank you. Annalise, thank you. Got power-ups, guys. Let's thank Sissy, Joanna, and Jean. Kai also. Glenna. Thank you, guys. Gusto ko yung battle sila, sila chess. But they're still battling. Guys, sabihin nyo, punta kayo kina chess, sabihin nyo, battle namin sila after ng battle nila. Punta kayo doon. Pakisabi nga. Let's battle them. Let's wait.
Okay.
Let's wait. Let's battle them. They're still talking. 20 seconds.
Okay.
Walking again? Far?
Yeah,
Walking
going
far?
home.
Not
15
so hot
minutes.
today. Not so hot
Oh
today.
no hot today.
Yeah, not hot today.
Oh, very nice weather.
How are you, Ethan?
Very good.
Congratulations, popular number one.
Thank you so much.
Invite them now. Di pa naka-victory lap pa sila, guys. Finish, but victory.
Just go there, then just talk.
Yeah, guys, tell them.
Invite us.
Oh, go. There,
Yeah. Invite.
Invite. Okay. No PK?
Ayo!
Hi!
Oh, where be?
Si ano na?
Where did Vin go? There!
There!
Oh, sunglasses.
Yay!
Bye, may lang.
Galing akong may photo shoot lang ako kanina, kakauwi ko lang.
Okay.
So, hello! Ikaw, bahay ka lang?
Yeah, ako, inantok na nga ako. I wanna sleep.
Yun na nga eh. Me too. After this, probably I'll hibernate.
Hi, Bernie.
Guys, look at this.
Wow. Ba't may
So cute.
It's a neck pillow, but in a chicken form. Ano yan?
That's
Parang,
cute.
parang,
K-pop Demon Hunters.
oh
ng
yeah,
for
yeah,
7.
yeah. K-pop Demon Hunters.
Oh yeah, I heard that.
Cute.
Kyopta.
Cute.
Kyopta. Wala na, talo na tayo, Bin. Bin, talo na tayo.
What Tagalog words you know? Ethan knows a lot of Tagalog.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vin.
Let's go.
What Tagalog you know?
What the color, you know?
Yes, what Tagalog you know? Tell us.
What the color, you know?
You.
Why?
Tagalog.
Tagalog words do you know?
You know Tagalog like that.
Ethan, teach Ben Tagalog.
Kumusta ka?
Wow.
Say, kumusta ka? Hey, say, kumusta ka?
Kumusta ka?
Wow.
How to say
Kumusta
I
ka?
love you? How to say I love you?
Mahal kita.
Wow.
Mahal kita.
Say mahal kita, Ben.
Just say,
Ben.
mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Mahal
Cute
kita.
naman, no?
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita. So, I know.
Alam mo kaya ano sabi niya sa akin?
Ano?
Kanina. Sabi niya na miss niya daw ako. What? You said that, right? Earlier.
You say that? Bin?
Sorry?
Sorry?
뭐라고?
You said already, just mahal kita.
No, he said he missed me.
Yes.
Message you?
Yeah.
Already mahal kita.
But not mahal
Yes.
kita.
Just English? Or Korea?
English.
English.
태무 English.
Oh my
Then from now, just say mahal kita.
mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
mahal kita.
You know
No.
there's a song?
Say Cheska ko.
Say Cheska ko.
체스카 코?
Ko mean just
My.
my.
마이.
My. So just Cheska ko say. Say.
체스카 코.
And then
And then
say mahal kita.
마이 기타.
mahal
Cheska ko.
kita.
마하이 기타 체스카 코.
Yeah. Voice Cheska ko and then just say go.
Ilang gagagawa.
Say go.
체스카 코. 마이 기타.
Wow!
That's right. You perfect.
Thank you.
You get an A+ for Tagalog lesson. Uy, thank you sa mga pa-gifts nyo. Sino ito mga MVP natin? Si Rai, si Lenalyn, si Ling Lacre.
Pepper, thank you. Charlene, thank you. Amaya, thank you.
Goals.
Oh my god.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Yes.
It's so cute.
감사합니다.
Tinuruan din siya ni Nana ko mag-Bisaya.
Oo nga pala. Ano sinabi niya sa'yo in Bisaya?
What did you say in Bisaya, Ben, earlier? Can you share to Kai?
What's this?
Sabi niya, guwapa ka.
gwapa kayo ka.
Guwapa ka ayo ka. Oh.
체스카 gwapa kayo ka.
What?
Whatever you wanted.
So today is very, very beautiful.
He said, you're beautiful in her language, in Bisaya.
Ayan o, talo tayo, Ben, di ba?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alam naman natin yun, di ba? Oo.
Thank you,
You know-
Pepper, Charlene, Amaya, thank you.
You know what I said, Ben? I said we lost
Oh, what? Oh, okay.
the
One more,
PK.
one more. One more, let's go. One more, huh?
Wait. Let's change
Okay,
partner.
okay.
Paano ba to? Paano ba i-change? Leave? How do you leave?
Rematch. Here. Who do you want to be partnered with?
Us
Us
two.
two.
Girls against
Oh,
boys.
there.
Oh,
Is that
Girls vs boys.
okay?
right
So I'm
there.
gonna move.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. Okay. Girls versus boys.
So everybody, so family, no tap.
What?
Finger closed, okay?
No. It's okay.
Family, thank you. No gift this match.
Isla for the win.
Let's for the win. Let's go.
Ibin.
No,
I think
yeah.
tawag sa kanila Ibin.
Even.
Ibin and Isla.
Let's go.
No gift.
Tapos gusto mo yung naka-glasses. Tapos kayo ni Ethan naka-cap last time. No, but last time you guys were wearing a cap.
Oh, me and Ethan are wearing white shirt, both of us.
White shirt, both of you. Ayaw nga.
White shirt.
Yeah.
Me and Ethan are wearing white shirt.
Yeah. Punishment? No punishment. No punishment.
Panalo nyo kami kung may punishment.
Kaya nga eh. Wala mo nang ano.
No win. That's okay. No tap.
Oh, he wants you to
tap.
win.
No.
Oh, he's so adorable.
Diba?
이단 댄스?
Why? You dance.
이단-
Why?
이단 댄스.
I just did so many dance time. Just so many dance.
Yeah,
나도.
and Ethan sang
too, me
for
too.
me already.
This
우추.
almost dancing machine.
Me too.
Show off right now.
You show. Yesterday, so Jessica, I dance 우추.
Yeah. Nag-8-8 siya.
Oh, nakita ko
yun.
yun.
Tayo'y mag-8-8. 8-8.
Oh,
8.
이단 let's go. So everybody, so what roads? Thank you.
Next
Ay,
time,
no,
I'll
no.
teach you Chavacano bin, okay?
Everybody, so no gift. Thank you. But no gift to this match, okay? Dance spin. No dance. Too many dance. 진짜 always dance. No tap. Okay.
you can dance always.
You guys are matching. Oh, C2, C1. Same.
Oo nga, no.
Yeah.
Aww.
Alas.
진짜 리얼.
Alas.
Today is Jessica 빡빡하이유까.
Thank you.
진짜.
Daghang
진짜로.
salamat kaayo.
진짜 빡빡하이유까. 와.
Salamat. Sabi niya pa mag-gym daw kami together.
Go, why not? Nakaturuan ka pa niya.
Gusto mo yung naka-PK kami tas nasa gym?
Oo nga, pwede nga yan. Mag-battle kayo while you're at the gym.
Battle. Do you want PK while at the gym?
PK gym?
Yeah, while we're working out.
오케이. Let's go.
Next time if I'm at the gym.
오케이.
Maasar ni Ethan sumama. Ethan,
Huh?
are you happy your best friend in love?
Yeah, that's good.
Tanong niya kanina, sabi niya pa, may jowa ba daw ako?
In real life, you have boyfriend?
Oo. Sabi ko wala eh.
No, she's single. I like me, single. Everyone's single.
Yeah.
Are you single, Bin? You have a girlfriend?
Yes, yes. No. I have a dog. No. Singer. I'm singer.
Oh,
What
everyone.
you say? Just I have chest colitis.
Ano daw?
Say again.
Dapat daw isagot niya, no, I have Cheska.
Say again. Say again.
Ang galing ni
Huh?
Ethan.
Say again.
뭐.
Are you
Why?
single, Bin?
Yes, I singer.
What you say? No, you say I have chest colitis.
I'm no singer. I'm Cheska.
Wow.
Ay, nako.
Oh, ayan.
Yeah, I
Oh,
lost.
Cheska, you win?
I lost too.
Yeah, we won.
Cheska win. Congratulations.
I will rush and I will rush you
Congrats,
and
thank
back
you.
tonight again.
Are you almost
very
home?
hungry. Oh, almost home.
Almost home.
Ethan is a good teacher.
Are you jogging, Ethan?
Oh no. Just I went to karaoke, so just
Walking home now.
Yeah.
What's TTU?
TikTok universe.
Yeah, stick to universe.
What you just got your first TikTok universe, Ben?
Yes.
Wow!
You got?
Congratulations.
Yes. Thank you, Clover.
When?
Thank you.
Today?
Yes, today.
Wow!
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Together. TikTok universe.
Yay! We're so happy for you.
Thank you, Clover. Thank you, family. So very, very thank you.
What?
Clover, so family.
Parang ang kulit ng filter na yun, no? Try
Yeah.
Ito.
Thank you.
That's Ethan's favorite filter.
Yeah, this is mine. Why just follow
When he PKs with other girls, he wears that filter.
This is mine. No.
Oh, so cute.
Yes.
Oh, cute.
What else?
Oh, so kwakpak kayo ka. Sorry.
Wapa kay ka. Yung ana imong filter.
So cute.
It's Mario.
Ooh.
Go. Oh, last and finish, guys.
Whoa.
Elevator, my baby legging long. Yeah.
Triples, guys, triples.
Ethan.
Inantok ako bigla.
Ako din eh. Triples.
Triples. Tre.
I'm all very hot.
Why are you always
All
hot?
day. All day.
Cheska's too hot?
Cheska, so PK is very, very hot. 진짜.
Love trip. No, but for real, I'm really curious. You're always like trying to fan yourself. Like, is it because you're usually sweaty as a person? Are you naturally sweaty as a person?
Wait, please. So my no, yes.
Oh, yeah. You're always sweating.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Sweating.
Because
Sweating.
sweating. It's
Uh,
hot in Korea.
yes. Yes. Very. Very.
Mm.
Oh,
Not hot today. Ethan said it's not hot today.
only 위치에서?
Alright, the day nang iwan nag-lag
No.
si
No. No.
ano,
So
Ethan.
where is Idan?
He lagged. No internet. Temu internet. Temu internet.
이단 태모 이단 또 태모.
Temu internet.
이단 태모.
Ethan Temu.
음.
Still lagging.
Oh
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Alright, girls win.
Yay.
Congratulations.
Guys to it. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye bye.
guys.
See
See
you.
you.
Guys, bye-bye. Min.
Jessica, see you.
You're gonna.
Guys, I'm really sleepy. So I think I will get off now. Tinatamad akong gumalaw. I think I'll go ahead. Bye, guys. Oh. Yeah.
Lagi. Just
Yeah.
lagi.
Okay.
Oh,
Girls won.
antang
We won.
makan.
Asawa ko.
Daging kalah.
Okay.
Mati
Sa akin ka lang.
See you tonight.
See
I will
you.
laugh.
Rest.
Have a good day.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Alright. 12K na nga. Guys, nantok na talaga ako. I think I will rest na lang. Wala nga akong ilaw eh. I'm so sleepy. Bye, guys. I'll try to get on later. Bye.